Hi guys, I'm playing around with this Nisi Jetmag Pro filter and I am amazed sa features ng filter na to. So magnetic siya guys. Yan. So kung gusto mo lang maglagay ng filter, all you need to do is magnetic siya. So you need to magnet it. And don't worry dahil meron siyang feature na safety lock. Meron siyang spot kung saan safety lock na siya and you don't have to worry na mahuhulog siya or matatanggal. Kasi nga meron siyang lock spot. At the same time, meron pa sila dito Vario filter na 5 stops. So ito yan. May lock din. And kung makikita nyo, 5 stops yan. So you can adjust it manually habang nag-shoot ka, lalo na kung daytime. And kung kulang pa sa'yo yung ganitong 5 stops, pwede ka pa magdagdag. Yan. Okay? So, napakadali niyang gamitin kung gusto mo magdagdag ng stops and kung gusto mo magbawas. So, may cover na rin siya for safety. Nisi Jetmag Pro